Dear students, we are continuing the lecture of concept of advertising. In this part, we shall try to understand that how business people they are interested in advertisements or why they are interested. Commercials ads or marketing communications or marketing ads often seek to generate increased consumption of their products or services. So we can say that this is one of the prime objective of any marketing communication or any marketing advertisement, that after the execution of the advertisement, the marketer or the advertiser, and they want to achieve more sales volume. So therefore the commercial advertisements or the marketing advertisements, they try to increase the consumption of the product and the services. They try to increase the sale of the products and the services that is advertised. And one of the way of increasing the consumption or increasing the sale is through branding. Through advertisements, the marketers, they try to do branding of their product and services. Branding associates a product name or image with certain qualities in the minds of the consumers. On the other hand, ads that intend to elicit an immediate sale are known as direct response advertising. Non-commercial entities also advertise, and other than consumer products or services, they generally advertise messages which are socially important. Political parties also, they advertise. We have seen political advertisements, and in political advertisements one party try to damage the image of their rival political party. There are different religious groups, they try to advertise or to promote their idea or to promote some messages or to concepts among the people. Non-government organizations also advertise for different purposes. Non-profit organizations may use free modes of persuasion, such as a public service announcement, etc. Advertising may also help to reassure employees or shareholders that a company is viable or successful. So one needs to understand that when there is advertisement, then people also get an impression that the company is doing well, company is expanding, company is trying to do well in its business, and therefore it builds up confidence among the stakeholders or among the employees and other shareholders. So that is another benefit of advertising. Trade is becoming more competitive, and marketers are increasingly focusing on advertisements to compete successfully by attracting customers. So there are a lot of advertisements, and all the marketers are trying to use advertising strategy for increasing their sales, expanding their business. And therefore since there are a lot of advertisements, so it is very difficult to get the attention of the customer, because customers are in front of the customer, many advertisements are there. So that has really has become a challenge for the advertisers, and however through advertisements they try to attract customers attention and do well in business. Thank you.